Hello, explorers! Today we're going on a space adventure to learn about something super mysterious, black holes. But before we talk about black holes, we need to talk about stars, like our sun. Imagine a star is like a giant glowing beach ball made of super hot gas. It's so hot because it's constantly burning fuel, like a giant bonfire in space. Now, stars are in a constant giant tug of war. On one side, you have gravity. Gravity is an invisible force that tries to pull everything in the star towards the center, wanting to squish it into a tiny ball. On the other side, you have the heat from the burning fuel. This heat wants to push everything outward, like popcorn popping in a microwave. As long as the star has fuel to burn, the push from the heat balances the pull from gravity, and the star stays a nice, big, glowing ball. But just like a car runs out of gas, a star eventually runs out of its fuel. This can take millions or even billions of years. When the fuel starts to run low, the bonfire inside the star starts to die down. The heat that was pushing outward gets weaker and weaker. Uh-oh. Remember our tug of war? The heat team is starting to lose its strength. With the heat fading away, gravity sees its chance. Without the outward push to stop it, gravity pulls the star inward super fast. The whole star collapses, getting squished down smaller and smaller. Imagine trying to squeeze a giant bouncy castle into a tiny suitcase. That's what gravity does to the star's core. It gets incredibly heavy and packed together tightly. Sometimes, for really, really big stars, this collapse happens so fast that the outer parts of the star bounce off the center and explode outward in a dazzling display called a supernova. It's like a giant space firework. The rest of the star's stuff gets blown away into space, but the very center, the core, keeps getting squished. And finally, if the star was big enough, that center core gets squished so much that it becomes a black hole. A black hole is a place where gravity is so incredibly strong that nothing, not even light, which is the fastest thing in the universe, can escape its pull. It's like a super powerful cosmic vacuum cleaner that doesn't let anything go. And that, explorers, is how a black hole is created from a dying star.